Hi, and welcome to a step-by-step tutorial to make your own non-toxic beeswax candle. To begin, you will need to gather your materials. This will include beeswax bricks, a hot plate, heat-resistant metal pitcher, a thermometer, long stirring spoon, wick stickers, wicks, centering popsicle sticks, and glass vessels for your finished masterpiece. Now, you will begin by chopping your beeswax into manageable pieces to place into your pitcher. Fire up your burner to level 3 and add the beeswax in. Now, watch as it transforms into liquid gold. Did you know beeswax candles release negative ions, minimizing chemicals, pollutants, allergens, and toxins? It also relieves headaches, depression, and seasonal depression. These also create ultimate relaxation vibes. Now that your wax is melted, remove the pitcher from the hot plate and patiently let the wax cool to a cozy 155 degrees Fahrenheit. While you wait for the wax to cool, you will now place a wick sticker in the center of the glass vessel and position the wick right on top. For stability, you'll secure it with those trusty centering popsicle sticks. Now that the wax is at the right temperature, you'll start pouring into your vessel. You'll know the wax is ready when it's turned back to its honey color. You'll now cut the wick to 1/4 inch. Now, add your final touches and your beautiful candle is ready to burn. Make sure upon first burning, you allow it to pool all the way to the edges, and each time you use, cut the wick to 1/4 inch. Enjoy!